Okay. Oh, something wrong. Out of range. So see, it says when I type
I think the numbers are
more than 10 characters, it's giving me a warning.
out of range.
Out of range, but still it will add only the first 10 numbers. Okay. Okay. Then the last one we can say Ammar. Or should I say your full name? Rizmi Ammar. Rizmi Ammar from where?
Sir,
Huh?
Atlugama.
Ah, you are from Oklahoma as well. Then let it be there. Okay. So maybe there's a space there. Fine. Now I will go and see, select all from students. See all these values. They have been added.
So both AK Mohammed and Rizmi Ammar having the same
Same
contact number,
number,
sir.
yes. They are having the same 2147 3647. This number. Atlugama, same number. Because this is out of range, I guess. Okay, we will change the numbers later. We will see how to modify later. Okay, when you are studying modifying, we'll change the number. Okay, is this clear? Insert into values part. So this is how we insert values into a table.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See now, from this under the insert thing, we can only keep on inserting values. No, we can't modify anything. No,
Modification, no, that is something else. That is called update.
update. Okay.
Now we are
Now
coming.
this once it's inserted on it like that.
Yeah, once it's inserted, that's it. Later we use
Ah, okay.
update only. We have to change if we are
Change. No.
changes.
Okay, sir. Okay. Okay.
Okay. So can you all type 10 values like this, 10 students values in your table? Those are using MySQL. Can
What's
you
that?
please insert 10 values?
In values.
Yes, using the code.
For that,
Insert.
I have to type now, sir. Every code.
Yeah, just now I did now. You did not take the
No, no,
time.
not this. Not this code, sir. I must type all the codes.
Okay, you have to type this, this, and create table student, and then after that this. That's it. Only four
That's
codes.
all now.
Yes. Okay. So can you put your hands up and start typing? Then when you finish, I know when you are finished. You can put your hand down when you finish typing. Okay, start
So
now.
when we write insert into student's value, must we write all the values or the only one value, sir?
All the values in the sense, all the columns, for all the columns, you have to write the values. If you don't write a column, it will add the value to the last column.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, now we have to open examples or no?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Otherwise, it won't work.
Okay, now I open them. Then I opened SQL also.
Okay.
It's a rescan service. After that, it is opening. Now it shows show database. That's everything. Nah.
Refresh.
Connect server may not be running. Huh? Oh, I have to start MySQL, no?
Yeah.
How to refresh, sir? Ah,
There's a button.
okay. Now what to do, sir?
You come here and refresh this.
Now in the query, I have to type this and go.
In the query, you have to type this and run the query.
Sir?
You can type this and run all the queries.
I'm sorry, sir. I didn't get it. Yeah, I did that. Then was there in the schema side, so this table and all there, no? That I don't need to do anything.
Which one? This one.
Yeah, that one. Should I do anything?
No, don't do anything. Just type the queries. That's it. When you say use,
Only a type. Okay. Yeah.
okay. So create table. The table name is employee. Okay, create table. Table name is employee. And inside these brackets, I have to mention what columns are going to be there. So we are going to have the employee number. Employee number. This is a voucher, and it is going to have uh, 5 characters. Okay. Then we
How
have,
do you identify
sorry,
the numbers?
primary key.
How do you say that? 5.
Yeah, primary key, of course, you can add in 2 ways. I told you the 2 ways, right? We can say this is not null. Not null. And at the end, you can say primary key is employee number. Okay? Or else we can straight away say this is primary key. What are the other ones we are having? We have a name, department, gender, and salary. Okay. So I'll just write the name. I'll just say e name. E name, department, gender, and salary. Okay. We will say the data types for all of this. I say name is going to be Vacha. I can use about 20 characters for that. Department also is going to be Vacha. 15 characters. Gender, did they use female, male? Yeah. So female, 6 characters. Vacha, 6 characters. Salary is going to be an integer. Okay. And at last, I'm going to say primary key is going to be employee number. This is my primary key. So this is how you create the table. Okay. Now how are you going to put the data into the table? Insert into employee values. We have a vacha, another vacha, Another vacha, and the last one is an integer. So I just leave it like that. Okay. Employee number 1, Kamal, accounts mail 20,000. 1, Kamal, accounts mail 20,000. So like this, I'm going to have how many records? 5 records. So I will copy this. 2, 3, 4, 5. So the employee numbers 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we have Kamal, Ranjani, Bandara, Anil, Asankar. Ranjani, Bandara, Anil, Asankar. Okay. Accounts is already done. Sales account, sales account. Okay. I have to change this to sales and this to sales. So we have male, female, male, male, male. So only this has to change to a female. 20,015, 16,500, 16, 16,500, oh, 16,500, 17,500 and 18,500. 17,500, 18,500. Okay, so I'm going to select all these and run this all at once. Everything is okay, I believe. Okay, so I think everything is inserted. We'll check. Check if everything is okay. Oh, okay, we did not insert. Insert part did not go. Okay, now we'll check this. Yes, all these are inserted. So I have created this table and inserted the value. So the answer to my question will be this. Understand? The last part, of course, we didn't need. We wanted to check. So we'll just take this off. So this is going to be the answer. Creating the table in the first line. Then in the next 5 lines, we are inserting the values which are there in the table. So when I give you a table like this and ask you to create it using SQL, this is how you should give me the answer. Understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, very good. So those who did not write it down, please write this down. I give you 5 minutes. The selection part, select all from table, and selection part only we have a lot to learn about. Okay, so inserting, updating, and deleting we will do first. So inserting we have finished actually. So updating and deleting we will do it tomorrow morning. And selection part I will need about 2 or 3 days. Within this week we will try to finish all those parts. Okay, because I have included them in your exam. I'm going to do these parts, and after that we will do some revision. All right, is that okay, everyone?
Okay, sir.
All right, very good. So we shall wind up for today. Thank you very much for coming. And tomorrow, of course, the same time we will meet. That is 12:45, right? Tomorrow, Tuesday. 12:45 we will have the class. So until that, God bless you. Take care. And see you.
Good night, sir.
Good night.